darkness I lingered mid doubt and despair. Since bondage long held me a captive to care, but Jesus delivered my soul from its chains. His precious blood cleansed me from sin's guilty stains. The world and its pleasures did tempt me to stray. I saw not the danger that lurked on the way. The toils closed around me, I knew no release, but Jesus has found me and given me his peace. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner, and get right with God. We got some lettuce starting in there. Got something going in here. We got the squash pushing up here. Here we have the zucchini. Yeah, zucchini. There's zucchini. Zucchini here. And we got some spinach going over there.
That's good.
Yes, this is the squash. Squash.
Squash.
Can you guess what this is?
A squash.
No, this is zucchini.
Zucchini.
This one is
That
the kale.
the kale.
And this is the lettuce.
Yes.
Okay, got something going on over there. This one is the eggplant. It's the eggplant. This is the eggplant that was transplanted, and you can see now it's pushing forward here. Sure. Spinach going over here. Spinach going over that middle row. And this one is the kale on this end. And we got some mint going here. Gonna transfer that. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the update. Alright, so happy gardening. Hope you were encouraged by my little update. And as we need the seed to be planted in order to grow, may the word of God, the seed, be planted in our hearts. Alright, thanks. God bless. Bye for now. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner.